Hey guys, what's up? Um, I'm decided that I want to do another video. Just simply just to talk about the crazy weather that we're having here, and it's happening right now on the East Coast. Blizzard warning. So um, here you go. So I want to show it to you guys real quick. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is pretty much like our backyard. As you can see, it's covered up with a lot of snow. I think at least about a foot because the we had this big major snowstorm and it started yesterday, Friday afternoon, around noon, yesterday noon, and it's been going on for quite some while now. And they say it's not supposed to stop until about Sunday morning. So this is like basically like what happened like over the past day. So yeah. So basically we're barricading here. I'm barricaded in my room. The folks are upstairs and my dog is like pretty anxious to like be outside, but she can't because she went out there for actually like a little bit, but she ended up like tumbling through the snow, and I thought I had to go outside and get her. Okay, so let's see. This is Daisy. So as you can see, she's very anxious about going outside, but you cannot go outside. Oh, you can't go outside at all. We don't want to leave you out there. So it's just like me and her, and the folks are upstairs. I'm not going to discuss that, but I'm just gonna like show you exactly what's going on with this blizzard. So let's see. This is what's going on like right now outside. You see our three trucks are covered, including my two vehicles. And they are severely covered, and we're just basically trapped here. It sucks, by the way. So this is it here. Yeah, it sucks. I was thinking that it wasn't gonna be that bad, but I guess I can get a kick in the face out of that. So it sucks, and it's basically not nothing to do, just for me just to sit around and be on the internet, watch movies and shit. So um, I'm gonna go ahead and close the door now. Yeah, so that's basically it. I gotta figure out what some things to do, what to talk about, and stuff. But right now, what I'm planning on doing is actually try to shovel out those vehicles because they have to get that snow from around them, and it was told that more is supposed to be coming. So the best thing to do is just for me just to put some clothes on and to go out there and shovel. And that's what sucks too. And I'm pretty much bummed. So, alright, if I have any other updates, I'll just post another video just to see what's going on or just to have something to talk about. Until next time.